Hi, easy and professional way to make your YouTube video thumbnails using Canva to attract viewers and increase your views and watch time. So keep watch this video till the end, otherwise you miss some important settings and tips. First go to canva.com. The link also available in the description below. So you can easily go through the link for sign up or login. I am already have an account on Canva, so it's automatically redirected to my account. And search here as YouTube thumbnail. The actual YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 into 720 pixels. For the sample designs for YouTube thumbnail, you can easily choose any one of this design for making your thumbnail. Also, if you use this any one of design, you get a perfect dimension for your YouTube thumbnail. So you don't worry about your dimension. Just search YouTube thumbnail on Canva and you get the perfect design. And Canva gives us a lot of free designs and also the paid designs. Move the cursor to the sample designs to know the design is free or paid. You see here, now this design is free. You see here, now the dollar symbol available here. This is paid one. Or you can easily create your own thumbnail by click the create blank YouTube thumbnail here. So click the plus symbol. It's go to the working area. So you can make your own design. You can choose from here also. So I am choosing this one. This one is free only. Show here. I am choosing this design for my thumbnail. And I remove this photo and add my photo for this thumbnail. For uploading your photos, click the second option, upload here, and click the upload media and choose device here. And select the photo, which photo you want to add. I'm already uploaded photos on Canva. It's available on the images here. So images, videos, audio are separately available here. I'm choosing this photo and resize the photo size like this. And fit the photo to the position, correct position. Okay, now it's okay. And change the background. For changing the colors, click the color here and I paste it in my color code and choose this navy blue is my brand color. For changing the background color, just click the background here and select the background color here and choose which color you want to make as a background color. This is the background color I am using. Now I edit this text related to my thumbnail. So thumbnail tutorial. Okay, and just drag like this to resize the option and click here. Once again select the text and copy and paste and easily drag and drop and change the font alignment to fix. And here I make my own style only, so I delete the font and the style. Now for adding the text, go to the text here and select the any one of animated text here, or you can easily add text from here also. Before selecting the animated text, check that text was free or paid. I'm selecting from here only. I don't want the animated text, and make a perfect words to attract your viewers. After finalizing your words, then recheck the grammars. I am using Ginger It to. I am not perfect on grammar, so I am using Ginger It website to check my grammar, spellings, etc. Now there are no mistakes deducted. So now I want to change my text color. Go to here and change the text color is yellow, because my brand font color is yellow only. And I change, resize the size of this text and go to the shapes here and select this square shape and move the square to the near to the font and change the position to backward here and resize the square to the exact size of the text. Now I'm adding my brand logo. Previously I'm used the. For that, go to home here. All your designs here and select my any one of previous design here. For selecting multiple objects in one time, select any one of objects first. So the objects are become a group, so you can easily copy the group and paste it in your current thumbnail and drag and drop to the which position you want. Now it's all set. The thumbnail is perfectly ready. Then go to download here and click the download once again. That's all. Your download is processing. Now the download is finished. This is the final thumbnail for my video. It's take 15 minutes in this video because I am explain each and every options to you. That's why it's take 15 minutes. Otherwise it's not take more than 2 minutes. If you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel now, because a lot of learning and more useful contents are coming soon. And share this video to new YouTubers to help them, and comment below what are the topics actually you want, because without your interaction I am unable to know what you want. So please comment below what are the topics actually you want.